This is a model FS4-31-G1 Fuji high output CNC single spindle chucking machine with fast load system. This is Rod.
Alright, all good? Alright, we're just going to throw one part in here, Harold, just for the sake of loading and unloading a part out of the spindle. This is the conveyor, goes all the way down, comes all the way into the hole here. Later on, this will just swing up, dump it in the chute right here. It goes down all the way to the load position where the grippers will come in, pick it up, and then take it down to the chuck. First, we're going to run an NC program to simulate a cut, and then we'll load the one part in there, okay? So pretty much good to go here. We're in the NC screen right now. We're enabled. All I really have to do right at this point now is hit NC start. We're in the NC home position. Tools home, the robot's in the home position, everything's happy. So I'm just going to start. It's going to come flying in. And after we finish cutting the part, like I said, then we'll load one in. Okay? Now I'm just going to hit the robot once. You'll see this arm come in right here. It happens kind of fast. It'll send a little sprocket down the chute, and it'll end up right there, Harold. I'm going to hit robot start right now. Just taking the old one out. Done loading, and then manually I'm going to take that part out of there because we don't want to turn anything just yet. So let me unclamp, take this off, and we can put this back on the conveyor anytime. I'll clamp back up, and we're going to clamp, go back into auto on the screen. I'm going to hit NC start one more time, run the same part, okay? Here we go. Again, are we all set? One more from way back, maybe? Hit it again. Kind of watch the screen, maybe. Got X and Z. Use your spindle speed. There you go. Yeah.